Hi friends, in this video, I am going to tell you about Dwarka Day 6, final part. In this I am going to show you about Dandi Hanuman Temple. This place is located near to Dwarkadish main temple, at Devbhumi district in Dwarka. This temple is 7 kilometers far away from Dwarka railway station. This temple is a Hindu temple, dedicated to Hindu god Lord Hanuman. This is unique temple located in India, where Lord Hanuman is a bachelor presented here with his son, Makardhwaj. This is the temple where Lord Hanuman met his son Makardhwaj first time in the sand of Gulf of Kutch, at the entrance of Patalaloka. According to Hindu mythology, at the time of Rama and Ravana battle, the twin step-brothers, Ahi Ravana and Mahi Ravana of Ravana, disguised themselves as Vibhishana and Jambavantha, kidnapped Lord Ram and Lakshman, and took them to Patalaloka to sacrifice them to their deity. After that Lord Hanuman went in search of Ram and Lakshman to Patalaloka entrance, where he was challenged by Vanara. Then Vanara identified himself as son of Hanuman. Lord Hanuman curiously asked Makardhwaj how it's possible, because he was bachelor. After that, Makardhwaj replied to Hanuman that, when he burnt Lanka with his tail and went into sea to dip his tail in the water, to extinguish the fire, at that time a sweat from his body dropped into the mouth of Magar, that is crocodile, named Chandrasena, who became mother of Makardhwaj. After that Makardhwaj employed in service of demon twin brothers, Ahi Ravana and Mahi Ravana, not to enter anyone to Patalaloka. After introduction given by Lord Hanuman to Makardhwaj, Hanuman wanted to enter Patalaloka, but his son refused him, because he can't betray his masters. After that both had fight and Hanuman won, and went into Patalaloka, and saved Rama and Lakshmana. After that Makardhwaj got devotee to his father Hanuman. Soon after Makardhwaj became king to Patalaloka, so that in Dandi temple both son and father statues are located. Here are some real pictures and footage of Dandi Hanuman temple. Thanks for watching this video guys. For more updates please stay tuned to my channel, Sai the Real Coverager.
Excuse me.
Altar yo, Bapak.